Just go live. Here I am back again to run this raz here for all those that took part in the Adams canvas for Quincy. I've copied his list into here. As you can see, the time's still the same, pretty much 1:42. We're going to roll the dice. We've got a 9, as you can see the time. So we're going 9 times on the list. One more look at what the winner receives. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 6, 7, 8 times. Again, as you see, we're going 9 times. There's the clock. Last time. Person in spot number 1 will be the winner. And there is your winner. Just double check the time, the dice roll. Shot. Cheers, guys.